Imagine a building so vast it could swallow several football fields whole. Its roof stretches out to the horizon, and its walls seem to go on forever. This isn't just a factory, it's a monument to human ingenuity and our love for butter. From above, it looks like a city within a city, a place where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Instead of cheering fans, the air is filled with the steady hum of machinery, the rhythmic clatter of conveyor belts, and the unmistakable scent of fresh cream. Here, technology and tradition blend seamlessly, creating an environment where every drop of milk is treated with care. This is the world's largest butter factory, a sprawling complex dedicated entirely to transforming simple milk into golden, delicious butter. It's a place where the scale of production is almost unimaginable and every corner is alive with activity. Every single day, millions of pounds of butter are churned out here, enough to spread on every piece of toast in a small country, or to fill entire supermarket aisles. The sheer volume is staggering, and the process never truly stops. Within these walls, science, engineering, and culinary tradition come together in a high-volume dance. Teams of engineers fine-tune the machines while food scientists ensure every batch meets the highest standards. It's a symphony of precision and passion. But the story doesn't start here. The factory is the beating heart of a vast network that begins with cows grazing in lush green pastures. From there, milk travels by truck, arriving fresh and ready to be transformed. Why build so big? The answer is simple: efficiency, consistency, and quality control. At this scale, every step can be monitored, every variable controlled, ensuring that each stick of butter tastes just right every single time. Every pipe, every tank, every valve is meticulously designed to protect the delicate flavor of cream as it journeys through the factory. Hygiene is paramount, and the entire process is a testament to modern food science. So, buckle up. We're about to follow milk's incredible transformation, from the peaceful farm, through a maze of pipes and machines, to the final golden product that ends up on your table. This is the story of how 1 billion tons of butter are made each year. Get ready to witness the magic behind one of the world's favorite foods. Prepare to be amazed. Our journey begins far from the factory, in the quiet countryside, where rolling hills and golden fields stretch as far as the eye can see. This tranquil landscape is the heart of dairy farming, a place where tradition and innovation meet. Here, thousands of dairy cows graze on lush pastures, producing the rich, creamy milk that forms the foundation of great butter. Each cow is carefully tended, their diet and well-being closely monitored to ensure the highest quality milk. Farmers rise before dawn, working tirelessly through all seasons to keep their herds healthy and the milk fresh. Their dedication is evident in every step, from feeding and milking to maintaining clean, comfortable barns. Today's farms use modern milking systems that gently and efficiently extract milk, chilling it instantly to preserve its natural flavor and nutrients. This technology ensures that the milk remains at peak freshness from the very start. Specialized refrigerated tankers, essentially giant thermoses on wheels, arrive daily to collect the milk. At every stop, samples are taken and tested for purity, guaranteeing that only the best milk continues its journey. Only milk that passes these strict on-farm tests is loaded into the tanker. The journey from farm to factory is carefully timed, ensuring the milk arrives at the dairy processing plant while still cold and fresh. At the factory, the milk faces another round of rigorous testing in state-of-the-art laboratories. Technicians check for quality, safety, and consistency, making sure every drop meets the highest standards. Any milk that doesn't meet these strict requirements is immediately rejected, no exceptions. This unwavering commitment to quality protects the integrity of every product made here. Approved milk is then pumped into massive, refrigerated silos, where it's blended with milk from many different farms. This blending process is crucial for achieving a consistent taste and texture in every batch of butter. Skilled workers oversee the blending, carefully monitoring the process to ensure that every batch meets the factory's exacting standards. This attention to detail means that no matter where or when you buy it, the butter will always taste the same. The great milk migration is now complete. After a journey that began in peaceful pastures and passed through rigorous checks, the milk is finally ready for transformation. The stage is set, the ingredients are ready. Let's step inside the factory and discover how this humble milk becomes delicious, golden butter. Inside the factory, a fascinating transformation begins, one that turns fresh milk into the rich, creamy butter we all know and love. This process is a blend of science, precision, and tradition, all working together in perfect harmony. The first major step is separating the cream from the milk. In the past, this would have meant letting milk sit for hours, waiting for the cream to slowly rise to the top. But in today's modern dairy facilities, things move much faster and more efficiently. Instead of waiting, a powerful centrifugal separator is used. This machine spins the milk at thousands of revolutions per minute, harnessing the force of physics to do in seconds what used to take hours. As the milk spins, the lighter cream is drawn toward the center of the machine, while the denser, heavier skim milk is pushed outward to the edges. This separation is incredibly precise, ensuring that each component is collected at its best. Two separate spouts collect the divided liquids, one for the rich cream destined to become butter, and another for the skim milk, which will be used in a variety of other dairy products. What's more, the separator can be finely adjusted to control the exact fat content of the cream. This is crucial because the perfect butter requires just the right balance of fat for taste, texture, and spreadability. Once separated, the cream moves on to pasteurization. This step is all about safety and quality. The cream is gently heated to a specific temperature, high enough to kill any harmful bacteria and extend its shelf life, but not so high as to affect its delicate flavor. This heating is done quickly and efficiently using a plate heat exchanger, a sophisticated piece of equipment that allows the cream to be heated and cooled rapidly, preserving its freshness and nutritional value. Pasteurization also deactivates certain enzymes that, if left unchecked, could cause the butter to spoil or develop off flavors over time. After pasteurization, the cream is rapidly cooled down. This quick cooling is essential to lock in the cream's purity and ensure it's safe for the next steps in butter making. The result is a stable, high-quality cream, gleaming in stainless steel tanks, perfectly prepared for its transformation into butter. And nothing goes to waste here. The skim milk is collected and sent off to be used in other dairy products like cheese, yogurt, or even low-fat milk. With the cream now separated, pasteurized, and cooled, everything is ready for the next exciting stage, turning this luscious cream into delicious butter. The team gathers to plan the next crucial steps, ensuring every batch meets the highest standards. Let's move on to see how the magic continues. With cream ready, butter makers choose sweet cream or cultured butter. Sweet cream butter, common in North America, is made from fresh, pasteurized cream, mild and clean in flavor. The cream is cooled and aged for texture, not flavor, ensuring perfect consistency. For cultured butter, live bacterial cultures are added, fermenting the cream for a tangy, complex taste. This process, popular in Europe, creates butter prized for its depth in pastries and sauces. Sweet cream is versatile and mild, perfect for baking and everyday use. The factory produces both, managing separate lines for global tastes. The choice is all about tradition and flavor preference. Next, it's time for the most dramatic transformation, churning. Let's see how cream becomes butter. Churning is where cream becomes butter. Forget hand-cranked churns. Here, massive stainless steel cylinders do the work. Cream is pumped in and violently agitated by high-speed beaters. The fat globules collide, clumping into tiny butter grains. Suddenly the mixture splits, solid butterfat and liquid buttermilk. The buttermilk is drained off, leaving golden butter grains behind. The process is continuous, cream in, butter and buttermilk out. The butter grains are pressed and worked by augers, squeezing out more buttermilk. Removing excess buttermilk is crucial for shelf life. This marvel of engineering turns liquid cream into solid butter in minutes. The transformation is complete, but refinement isn't over yet. Next, we shape and salt the butter. Let's see how it's perfected. The butter grains move to the kneading section where they're pressed into a smooth mass. This step removes the last drops of buttermilk and creates the perfect texture. Salt is added for flavor and preservation, unless making unsalted butter. The kneading ensures salt is evenly distributed and the butter is smooth and spreadable. Computers monitor temperature and pressure for ideal consistency. The butter emerges as a continuous golden stream, ready for shaping. It's extruded into blocks or pumped into tubs, depending on the final product. The process is fast and fully automated, keeping the butter firm and fresh. In minutes, lumpy grains become perfectly shaped butter, ready for packaging. Now let's see how it's wrapped and shipped. Packaging is a high-speed dance of precision machinery. Butter is sliced into blocks, wrapped in paper or foil or filled into tubs. The packaging protects butter from light and air, preserving flavor. quality control is relentless. Samples are tested for salt, moisture, and safety. Expert tasters check flavor, texture, and appearance. Any batch that fails is rejected. Only the best makes it out. Approved butter moves to cold storage, kept fresh until shipping. Logistics teams coordinate global distribution, sending butter to stores worldwide. Thanks to this process, butter made today could be on a shelf in Tokyo or Los Angeles in days. From factory to table, every step is about quality and efficiency. The journey is almost complete. But butter's story is even bigger. Let's look at its global impact. Butter connects farms, factories, and families around the world. Here's how. Butter production is a global story. Over 10 million metric tons are made each year. India leads in production, much of it as ghee, while the EU and US are major producers and exporters. New Zealand, though small, is the world's top butter exporter. The EU, especially Ireland and France, is famous for high-quality, often cultured butters. Major importers include China, Russia, and the US. Consumption patterns reveal cultural tastes. France tops per capita use, followed by Germany and Ireland. In Asia, butter consumption is rising as Western diets spread. The dairy industry supports millions of jobs worldwide, from farm to factory to transport. The factory we've explored is just one part of this vast interconnected system. Butter's journey is truly global, connecting people everywhere. Why do we love butter? Its versatility and flavor make everything better. It's the perfect spread, but also a miracle in baking, creating flaky pastries and tender cakes. In cooking, butter is the base for classic sauces and adds richness to vegetables and meats. It enhances flavors, making it essential for chefs and home cooks alike. Butter connects us to tradition. The smell evokes memories of family and comfort. In a world of processed foods, butter stands out for its simplicity, just churned cream. Its enduring appeal is rooted in both nostalgia and a renewed love for real food. From farm to factory to table, butter's journey is a testament to human ingenuity. Next time you unwrap a stick, remember the incredible process behind it. That golden block is more than food, it's a simple luxury, bringing joy to every bite.